princess cake and cinnamon bun.
Princess torta
Yeah.
and kanelbulla.
Yeah, that's correct.
Did I get a good bit of it?
You need to get a bit of everything. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so well.
Is it good? Yeah?
It's more like gingerbread.
Yeah, it tastes like kind of gingerbread, doesn't it? Normally it's like a shell and the middle has the most like goo.
How close out of 10 was the, first of all, the cinnamon bun?
It's close. Some of them are more moist and I like the moist ones. This one's a bit like tiny bit dry.
And what about the princess torta?
7. I'm not used to this thing being in the marzipan. Normally it's just whipped cream in between. Now Ikea. Just went to the Miss Maud Cafe and it was so good tasting things from home. Such a throwback. Currently trying to find a parking space at Ikea. I'm so excited to go to Ikea. Goodies.
You excited? Oh, we have one happy Swede.
Yeah. Oh my god, I came out with a whole Ikea bag. I did not expect that. So yeah, I just dragged Tommy to Ikea.
Oh no, I was looking forward to going as well. Maybe not as much as you, but...
Oh my god, I was so excited. Mainly because I haven't been home for over almost 2 years and it just feels like a little bit of home when I get to go to Ikea. I'm just going to do a little haul of what I got. She gave me this really cute little Ikea bag, which I haven't seen like a miniature one before.
No, it is pretty cute, yeah.
In the massive size. But first of all, on the boring side, I got a little thing because I thought it's a fake plant string that I thought we could hang in the back of the van.
We've been wanting to get one for ages, something like that.
Then I found this because we wanted to get a milk frother for a while. Because, yeah, the Oatly we get already froths quite well, but I think if we do with this, it would just be that extra. It was only $2, so hopefully it works.
We've been pretty unsuccessful at finding Oatly in anywhere on the west coast, so
I went a bit crazy maybe, but first I got a salty licorice because if you're a Swede you just have to like licorice.
Should we have one?
Should we try one? Yeah.
I've got to get used to them because I don't think I can actually go to Sweden and not like
licorice.
Do people not like them in Sweden?
In Sweden it's like either you really love them or you hate it.
Oh, so it's like Marmite for English people.
But I'm kind of a weird in between. Like I like
love
it,
them,
but I'm not like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. But yeah.
It's still weird to me that it's salty, not sweet. I think in England, like we copy a lot of the American candy, goodies, sweets. So everything is sugar.
Yeah.
They don't really have salty treats.
Okay, and then probably what I was like most excited to get, one of the most exciting things I got was these gifflar, which are little cinnamon rolls, and I always used to bring them if I was going on like a...
How do you hit the salt?
Oh. It's not that bad, come on. You've had jungelvrål before.
Yeah, that's spicy.
Got these, I always used to bring these if we were going on like a day trip with school, like a field day. So exciting! Yum.
So they're like tiny little cinnamon balls,
cinnamon
right?
buns, yeah. Do you want to try one now?
I don't think it'll go well with this salt lakrits.
Maybe I'll have to have like a chocolate square in between or something. And then what I was most excited for was the Marabou chocolate. The best chocolate ever.
I thought you'd get emotional.
I am. Like, I thought I wasn't going to find it, but they had it hidden in front of the counter and I was like, yes. But they only had 2 flavours, so they had the plain and the dime one. But I really like the dime one because it's a bit crunch. So I got that.
Yeah, you don't like the normal, you don't like any normal
King
chocolate,
size.
do you?
I like normal chocolate, but it's not what I would pick, you know? And you like this, you've already tried this. You know you like it.
I'm big, avid fan of Marabou already.
And then I got the toasted onion, fried onions. I just love to have this on, like in Sweden we always have it, if we're having a barbecue and we make hot dogs, we put this in the hot dogs, but you can also use it for like hamburgers and stuff like that. So I got knäckebröd, which is just like hard bread, and in Sweden I used to drink well, I just used to eat it as like a snack or in the breakfast with some cheese and cucumber. This isn't very vegan of me, but bread. And of course, to go with that, you gotta have the jam and the cheese. If you're a Swede, you'll know. But like, I didn't think it was like a massive Swedish thing, but apparently you don't do it where you're from.
What's that? The cheese and the jam? The cheese and the
jam!
Sometimes. We have more chutney.
Yeah.
Which is still not done in Australia. Not as much as we do, anyway.
Yeah, I got the blueberry jam, and that was all I got.
You have the first one, that's only right.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's good. Aldi chocolate doesn't even compare to this. People always talk about German chocolate, Belgian chocolate and Swiss chocolate. I honestly think Swedish chocolate is better. I genuinely do.
I'm very, very satisfied that we went to Ikea.
Jag är I Sverige. Just nu.
Känns som jag är hemma.
So that was your Ikea Foods of Home.
And now we're gonna go pick up a package and then maybe walk around Perth. It's really nice. How cold?
Yeah, that's
Good morning everyone. So we're in our little campsite for the night, which is just outside of Fremantle and Perth. It was like, I think, half an hour away from Perth or Fremantle area. And last night we just, we went to Ikea and the cafe, and then we went to pick up my package, and we were like driving through like the Perth CBD, and it was just so hectic. Like everyone was switching lanes and so many people and so many traffic. It feels weird to be in a big city after so long of not being in a city. And yeah, we know that we are going to come back to Perth because we want to do Rottnest Island and the Wave Rock and stuff like that. But we're first going to do a little pit stop in Margaret River, which is so exciting, and we've booked our camp spot for 2 weeks there. So that's where we're going to head today, and then once we have saved a bit more money, and then we'll come back up and do Rottnest Island and that. We're currently filling the Jerry.
Hello.
So we've decided to travel down the coast today because we're still like not wanting to push Susie too hard. We're gonna like take it slow because there's still like a smell, like a petrol smell coming from the engine. So we're gonna just make our way down the coast slowly. It's only like 3.5 hours from here to Margaret River. So yeah, we're gonna go down there, explore that area. And this is a really nice, cheap place to stay outside of Perth if you don't want to spend like $30 for a campsite. This one is $10 per person. I think it was called like Lily's Backpackers or something. It's basically on a farm. It's got like the most basic toilet, a basic like camp kitchen, if you can even call it that, and we're just in a big grass patch. So yeah, I'd recommend it if you want somewhere cheap and affordable to stay, because there are like no free camps around the Perth area. We have arrived in Margaret River. We're so excited. We made it.
Susie made it.
Susie made it. We're so glad about that. So now we're just going to have a little walk around the high street, and yeah, it looks like they've got everything we could possibly need. They even have a gander here, which is so exciting, and so many little bakeries, and we're just so excited to just stay here for a little while.
This is like all we need.
Literally all we need. And the weather is so nice, and the drive here was so lovely, like through the woods and like the countryside. It looks like a mix of home with Australia. We're all set up at our little camp spot. We've booked in for like 2 weeks. Isn't it cute? We put the awning up as well, but it's a bit windy. We need to get like tent pegs because it keeps blowing up in the air. We had our first hot showers in like 2 months and it was so good. I like had it so hot it was steaming. It was amazing, and to not have like a limit on how much of a shower you can have. Now we're gonna go check out the area around the campsite, go see if we can find the beach maybe, look at the camp kitchen, stuff like that. We're like apparently like a 10-minute walk down to the beach, so that's super fun. Oh my god, the view. Just like 5 minutes walk from our campsite. That's stunning, baby. Can't believe this is our new home.
Yeah.
That's so scary. Why are there so many statues around? Interesting. This is art. Found this insane lookout. It's called Borenup Lookout. It's like a very narrow, windy road to get up here, but it's in the middle of one of the national parks here. Hey guys, so today it's Saturday morning and Tommy actually worked his first shift yesterday at his new job at a cafe.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good. I never thought I'd be working at a cafe again, but it was pretty cool. It was like a beach cafe.
Oh, the location is
it's so
stunning.
sick, isn't it? Like, it's just literally on the end of the bay that we're living on. So it takes 20 minutes to walk there, beach.
Yeah.
Like, you just walk down the beach and that's where it is.
Such a stunning beach as well, and you can swim there maybe when it's a bit warmer. It's currently like 19 degrees here, and like the evenings, the nights get to like 7 or 12, so pretty cold in the water
Does it
still.
get that cold?
But yeah, today is his day off because he gets weekends off, so we're gonna head into the Margaret River farmers markets, which could be pretty cute probably.
Yeah.
And all day yesterday I went around handing my CVs out, so I have like a few trials next week, so fingers crossed I'll get a little job just to keep the money coming in. I'll bring you along the markets and then we're probably going to head out, check out some beaches if the weather, I think the weather's supposed to be quite nice today.
Yeah.
It's only like 13th of November, but I'm starting to want to feel Christmassy, so I'm going to see if I can find some Christmas decorations for the van. I think that would be pretty cute. We got the little grass thingy that we got from Ikea, put it in the back, and it goes so well. We made it to the markets.
So we just went to the farmers market for the first time in Margaret River, and we saw an organic garden just outside, which actually looks really cool. It's still really weird to be around so many trees and flowers since being in the outback for so long. So yeah, just getting back to our roots. Good luck, it's gonna be cold. She's in.
Hello everyone. So we just had a proper sorting everything out Sunday morning. We did all of our washing, so we had to do like 2 loads and then we had to pop it in the dryer because we still don't have a good like drying setup. And now we're on our way to Lake Cave. We're gonna go do the Lake Cave tour. I think it's a guided tour and it's like $22 per person and it's an hour. And yeah, we wanted to do the Jewel Cave, which is a lot further away, but we're gonna save it for another day because we're probably gonna end up doing the both of them. But yeah, we're on our way to Lake Cave now, so if we're allowed cameras, I'll bring you guys along with us. Margaret River is like known for its caves. It's got so many different caves that you can go and visit.
Getting cold.
It's a bit chilly.
We're already pretty far down.
We just finished the lake cave tour and it was so cool. Like, definitely recommend to go check out the caves. There's more caves to see. There's like probably like 10 plus in the area, so we're definitely going to be checking out some more ones. Our tour guide said that Mammoth Cave was where you can find like the fossils from animals that are now extinct in the cave. So that's
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
pretty cool.
They all, it sounds like they all have different features. Like this one was the one with the lake inside it, which is cool.
And the most, like, one of the most active caves as well, which meant that you could see like the droplets coming, which was really cool. Giant kangaroo or giant wallaby, was it?